Okay, if we're going to find out so this tells us information. It's asking us what's the slope of line R. In order to do it, we want to find the slopes of all of the lines, and then we can talk about them. So line P contains points A and B. Okay, let's start uh, by finding the slope of line P. Okay, so we've got 2 points. We've got 9 comma -1 and 1 comma 9. Okay, so we're going to call that x1 and y1, x2 and y2. So then we say m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And when we substitute them in, let's do that. Let's substitute them in. We've got y2, 9, minus y1, -1, over x2, 1, minus x1, 9. Okay? And 9 minus -1 is 10, over 1 minus 9 is -8, okay? Which simplifies to -5/4 is the slope of um, line P, okay? So if line Q, so the slope of line P is -5/4, okay? Because line Q is parallel to it, the slope of line Q, since it's parallel, it's also that same, okay? Line R is perpendicular to line Q, and so since it's perpendicular, the slope of line R is the negative reciprocal. So we flip it over and we change the sign of it. And so that is our answer.